Di ko pala naunang ano ko guys. At least may huli na tayo. Bago kong ibinto guys. Ayan o. May taladya dun guys o. Pero tayo ngayon, mayroon tayong na-discover sa akin nga technique guys. New technique. Okay na regular yung technique ko. Pero ito panibagong technique guys. But accurate. Kasi sa afternoon, mag-fishing kami ni Umar pag hindi ako busy. Kasi kahapon guys, 3 hours man ako sa hospital guys. Yan na, yung kidney natin medyo hindi naman nakaraspin guys. Let's go lang. Ayun, malaki pa yan sa cellphone guys ha. Guys, so, alright, let's go lang Papa Joey. Guys, this place guys is not big size but continuous you can catch guys. See, look, only like this one sizes. I'm very happy this one. Right, see, let's see guys. Prito natin guys, fry cook. Hindi naman yung taladya man guys. Alright, nakadalawan tayo guys. Guys, so it's lang, it's not big size but it's okay for me guys. At least i-fry cook mo lang siya guys. Kaysa guys oh. Ayun, ganyan lang kalalaki guys oh. At least laki. Already a lot already guys. See? I don't know this place is not big size. Only like that. It's okay. Continuous lang Papa Joey. Honest to good guys, this place is a lot of the small size, but nothing choice. With that guy, the bandadis, see, and see, I continues catching, and that guy, you have 3 fishermen, but I want to fight this one. Alright, let's go Papa Joey. What you got? Because this one is strong. Guys, big size yan guys. Ayan guys oh. Yan. Small size, big size. This one big size now. Cause you coming ni. You coming, that's why the big size. You like bike now. See, look the. Yeah, see, look guys inside. We have already 15 pieces. Another one. Let's go lang guys. Kuntis natin. Guy, see, fighting the malit. Fight! Let's go, go, go! Oh, karap! He's losing, guys. Alright. Maputi ulit ang huli yan, guys. Tayo hindi na nakahuli. Oh, naka-apat na siya, guys. Continuous lang. Woohoo! Continuous lang Papa Joey. Enjoy fishing. Enjoy fishing guys. Tayo naman guys. So nakahuli siya guys. Laki naman guys. So naka-6 na. Tayo naman. Paglaban pa guys. At least mayroon na huli tayo. Sa lahat na talakitok please guys. Si Bal guys oh. Kaya ito naman huli natin guys. Pasensyaan nyo na to guys. Hindi Big Mama. At least still up. Continuous na guys. Enjoy fishing guys. Enjoy catching, right? Guys oh. Many time na tayo naka-loose. At least mayroon sa wala guys oh. Ayun oh. Ganyan nakalalaki guys dito banda. Yan. Kasi Bal, nandun. Ito na mahuli natin. At least still up, catching. It's okay. Alright guys. Time to go home. Already, I think 12. Yeah, time to go home. To eat. Because maybe after this coming afternoon, I come back guys. Yeah, by the way. I catching not good size. They are like small size. I like catching the small size and then sayuri too. Yeah. And by the way, this is my catching, guys. See, at least like almost half night already, guys. Guys, see, look. Yeah. Yeah. At least I make a naman lang fry cook, guys. As they still have, right? This is it. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. I love guys. I love Mama in the Sea, and I love you, Mama in the Land. I love you, guys. See you soon. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, guys. Love you. If you want to watching, please like, guys, and subscribe again. Okay, bye. See you soon. Guys, so cooking again, guys. For my lunch, malit and maputi. Kaya it's not big size, guys, I'm catching today. Only the small size. And this is it. Not bad already, guys. Right? Thank you again, guys, for watching. At least mayroon tayong lunch. And this is it. Kaso lang, it's not big size. It's okay for me already, guys. Right? Let's go. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy. And yummy too. Right, Mr. B, darling. Ito na huli ko ngayon. Alright, continuous natin sa after din, guys. Kung ano naman mahuli natin. Thank you for watching. Let's go. Nginging. Yan si Janty Nomaro. This is that, guys. See? Napisima po umar. Student, guys. Enjoy lang, guys. Abang tayo nagpipising sa eskwela ni Umar. Alright. And this is Thai catching, guys. Look. Yes, sir. Yan na, guys. Oh. Wala pa tayo sa isang oras, guys. Alas 4:30 na tayo nag-umisa. Enjoy lang. Yan ang school ni Umar. Teacher si Umar dito, guys. School lang. At may video naman tayo ngayon, guys. Hindi ko lang sa'yo naramdaman, guys, na kinagatan na pala tayo. Ayun, guys. Oh. Mabigat. Oh. Ayun, so. Continuous lang tayo continuous lang tayo, guys. Sumisigaw sa guys. Continuous lang tayo, guys. Let's go. At least may video naman tayo, guys.